everyone, this is Tanya darling. Hope you guys are doing great. In this channel, I would be teaching CBSE Class 10 Maths NCERT Syllabus and my sister Tina Lopez would be teaching CBSE Class 8 Maths NCERT Syllabus. Alright, now let's get into the video. Today we are going to be learning exercise 2.3 first question and first subdivision. Okay. So first of all, this is a new exercise and we are starting off with it. Okay, now let's read the question. So the question is, divide the polynomial px by the polynomial g of x and find the quotient and remainder in each of the following. Okay, so this is the question. So here we are supposed to divide the polynomial. Okay, so the polynomial is p of x. So they had given a value, that is p of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. And what about g of x? So g of x is equal to x square minus x. Okay, so this minus 2. So this is the question, and that too we had already studied this in the lower classes, how to divide the polynomial with the variable. Okay, so with the variable as well as the constant term. Okay, so now let us do that. First of all, it is really easy to do, but when you understand the concept, then only you can just do it. Okay, so here as you guys can see, I wrote the p of x values right over here and the g of x values right over here. Okay, so here we have certain rules. So the rules are, so here you guys can see x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. It is in the order wise. Order wise means here we have cube, after cube we are supposed to write square, after square we are supposed to write 1. So here x is there. So the x power is 1. If nothing is there, then it is 1. And then we wrote the constant term. Constant term means a number which is without a variable. We are supposed to write it like this. But in few questions, they might give, for example, let me just write it here. They might give minus x square at first and minus x cube and then minus x. Okay, so here as you guys can see, it is not in the proper form. So here the x cube is at the middle, but what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to write x cube at first and then x square and then x. Okay, we are supposed to write it in the correct form. For example, as you guys know how we write ascending to descending, likewise. Okay, so here descending to ascending, like that we write from big power to the small power. So 3, 2, 1 and then constant term, likewise we wrote. Okay, so now let us do it. So here also you guys can see that here it is x square and then in the question they had given x square minus 2. So here first x square it is there, after that constant number. It's okay. Why? Because we don't have a x value. So in the question itself they gave it like this. Sometimes they might give it ulta. So sometimes if we have 2 minus 2 plus x square, then it is not in the proper form. Why? Because constant term they are supposed to be at last. Okay, so likewise we should write it x square minus 2. So this is the proper form. First we are supposed to write the variables and then the constant term. Okay, I hope you guys understood this. So this is the main rule in this question. Okay, so now we are going to be solving it. First of all, for solving it, we take this value, that is the x cube value and this x square value. So we take this one and this one. We are going to be dividing it. So let me write x square divided by x cube. So I took x square value and x cube, I am going to be dividing it. So now here as you guys can see we have square. So let me just cancel this. Why? Because we are cancelling the square, but here we have cube. So in this cube I am going to be cancelling the square. Okay, so when we cancel the square, then we have x 1. Why? Because we have one balance. For example we have 3 x's, that means we have cube right over here. In this cube we are supposed to cancel the square, because in the top also we cancel the square. So I am cancelling the square, then we have the remainder as 1. Remainder means balance. Okay, so we got balance 1. So I wrote the balance right over here. So x power 1. So x. Okay, instead of writing x power 1, you can write x. So we got x. So what we are going to do is, we are going to be writing x at the top. Why? Because we are supposed to do it like this. First we are supposed to divide this and then we should cancel it. Then after that, whatever values we get, we should write it right over here. Okay, now we are going to be multiplying it. So I am going to multiply x into x square and then minus 2 into x. So first let me multiply. So I am writing multiply here. Okay, so we are supposed to multiply this one and this one. Okay, in this and this one. Okay, first let us multiply x square into x. So x square into x. So let me just write it. X square into x means x cube. Am I right? Why? Because here square is there, here 1 is there. That means 2 plus 1 is 3. So it is x cube. So what we got? X cube. So let me write the x cube down here. And then we have minus 2. So x minus 2 into x is minus 2x. So here we have the addition form. It is in the addition form. So plus into minus is minus and 2 into x is 2x. So it is minus 2x. So as you guys know, we got minus 2x. So we should not write it here. I am just explaining it right now. So we got minus 2x, but here it is x square. So we are not supposed to write minus 2x right down right over here. Why? Because this is the rule. So if we get x square means we can just write it, but here it is square. So we are not supposed to write it right over here. We should find the value which is which the variable is similar. So when we go to the next value, that is plus 5x. So here the x and here also the x is similar. Both are similar. You are supposed to see the variable, not the number. Okay. So here we have x. Here also we have x. Then we are supposed to write minus 2x right over here. Okay. So let me write minus 2x. Why? Because minus 2 into x is minus 2x. Okay. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to be subtracting it or adding it. Okay. So here again we have a rule, that is, here it is in the plus form. Okay. So here it is plus. Let me just write it. So here it is plus. Here also it is plus. So here it is minus. Here it is plus. So what we do is, here whenever plus is there, we change it into minus. Okay. So we are changing it to minus, and here minus is there. That means we convert into plus. Why? Because we are supposed to do it like this. So here if you have plus, then you convert into only this term. Okay. So here if you have plus, you convert into minus. Here if you have minus, convert into plus. Okay. Wherever you get minus at right over here, then you are supposed to convert it. Okay. Then the value is minus x cube. Okay. Think that minus x cube. So don't bother about this plus. Now this plus is waste. Okay. So don't care about this plus. Now this x cube has got a new sign, that is minus, and this 2x has got a sign, that is plus 2x. Okay. We are supposed to see its new sign, not the old sign. Don't care about its old sign. Okay. That is not required. Okay. So now what we are going to do is, so minus x cube and plus x cube. So when we just do it, we can just cancel it. Why? Because we get 0. Okay. So minus x cube and plus x cube, when we just subtract it, we get 0. So I cancelled it. So now what I am going to do is, I am going to be writing, so I am going to be doing this one first of all. So here we have plus 2x and we have plus 5x. So 5 plus 2 is 7. So let me just write 7. Why? Because here plus is there, here plus is there. Plus into plus is plus. So I just add them up. So 5 plus 2 is 7. And then what about the x? We shall write the x as it is. And here the greater number has my plus symbol. So we should write the plus symbol. Okay. So this is the process in this. Okay. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to be taking this minus 3x down up right over here. Okay. Why? Because here it's sitting simply right. So I am taking it right over here. I am taking this minus 3 also. Okay. So I took minus 3x square and plus 7x and minus 3. So we got this value. So now what I am going to do is, wait. Okay. Now what I am going to do is, here we have minus x square. So we are supposed to see the first term. Okay, so here the first term is minus 3x square. So we are going to be dividing minus 3x square divided by x square. Okay, in the previous time we did right like that, we are going to be doing it. Here we took first term, that is x cube divided by x square, and we got a value. Likewise here we are going to be taking minus 3x square because this is the first term. So here the first term is minus 3x square, and then we are going to be dividing with x square. So here as you guys can see, here we have x square and here also we have x square. Now let's cancel it. X square cancel and x square cancel. So what is the answer? Minus 3. Okay, so let me just show it right over here. Okay, so we had minus 3x square divided by x square. So here we cancel the x square and x square, then everything is cancelled and the balance we got minus 3. So what we are going to do is, we are going to be writing the minus 3 right over here. Okay, so we wrote the minus 3 right over here. So now we are going to be multiplying it. Here whatever term we are getting right, we should multiply it. Permanently we should multiply it. Okay, whatever sums you get, whatever terms you get in here, you are supposed to multiply it. Okay, so here first of all let's multiply the symbol, that is minus into plus. So we are first supposed to multiply minus 3 into x square and then minus 3 into minus 2. Okay, first let's do it with x square. Minus 3 into x square is minus 3x square. Why? Because minus into plus is minus. Let me just write minus, and 3 into x square is 3x square. Okay, and then minus into minus is plus, and then 3 into 2 is 6. Am I right? So let me just write it. So minus into minus is plus, and then 3 into 2 is 6. Now we got plus 6. So this is a constant term. Then we are supposed to write the constant term down right over here. Why? Because here we are supposed to write the constant term in the constant term itself. So I am writing plus 6. Why? Because after doing it we got plus 6, and then we are going to be subtracting or adding it. Now let's do it. So here the minus symbol converted into plus, and here plus symbol converted into minus. Okay, so we are supposed to do this. This is very important. So now the 3x square has got a new sign, that is plus, and 6 has got a new sign, that is minus. Okay, so don't care about the old sign. So minus into so plus into minus is minus. Then we are supposed to minus 3x square and 3x square. Okay, so when we minus we get 0, so we shall just cancel it. Okay, no need of this term. Okay, and then here when you just check it out, here we have minus. So the 6 has a new sign, that is minus. So minus into minus is plus. So we are going to be adding it. So 6 plus 3, it is 9. Am I right? So 6 plus 3 is 9. So here we are going to be taking the biggest number sign. So here the biggest number is 3 or 6. So the biggest number is 6. So 6 has got a new sign, that is minus. So we are going to be writing minus. Then we are going to be taking this plus 7x as it is. Okay, plus 7x. Okay, now you guys can check it out. That is, so here we have x square, and here the first term is plus 7x. Okay, so here it is x square. So the square is biggest, and here the power is 1. Am I right? So x, simply if x is there means the power is 1. So here we have biggest square, and here we have smallest power. So we can't just do it. Why? Because here if we have square then we can do it. If we have cube we can do it. Why? Because it has to be similar to this power, or it has to be bigger compared to this power. But here it is 1, x power 1. That means we can't do it. Why? Because compared to 2, the 1 is smallest, so we can't just do it. Okay, so we shall stop it right over here. Okay, so we got this one. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to be writing q of x. So do you guys know what is the meaning of q? Q means quotient. Okay, so here this is a quotient, and this is a remainder. Okay, so q of x is equal to, so what is the quotient value? So the quotient value is x minus 3. So let me just write x minus 3. Okay, so now let's write r of x. Okay, or bracket x. So for what is the remainder? So the remainder here it is 7x minus 9. Okay, so let us write, no need to care about the plus. Why? Because 7, if you write it simply like that, then it is plus only. So 7x minus 9. Okay, so this is the answer. So it was pretty easy. Why? Because we already know how to do this. In the previous classes also we just studied how to do this. We just did it, and I just explained you guys how to find the quotient and how to find the divisor and all. Okay, how to write the divisor. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Why? Because this is pretty easy, but I explained it in brief. Okay, so that you guys can understand. So finally we solved it. So we got remainder as 7x minus 9 and the quotient is x minus 3. So finally we solved it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video and help your friends by sharing this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, you can comment me in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye.